Welcome to Life in the Allegheny National Forest, the best of Trail Central in McLean County. Today we'll be visiting the Kinzua Bridge State Park and the new Kinzua Sky Walk.
In May of 1882, 125 men gathered in northwestern Pennsylvania in the remote Kizua Valley. They were there to build a railroad bridge, an 8-mile shortcut from McLean County to ports on Lake Erie. In just 94 days, the job was completed. They had built the largest bridge of its kind in the world, 20 iron towers, up to 280 feet high, anchored to footings in the valley floor. 7,600 cubic yards of sandstone were cut to form its piers. Its ironwork comprised 3,105,000 pounds. Kinzua Viaduct stretched nearly half a mile across the gorge. Its high point was 300 feet. It swayed inches in the valley's nearly constant wind, thrilling the throngs of tourists who flocked to see it. After 18 years, the iron structure was replaced with steel. For another 6 decades, massive locomotives pulled their loads across the sky. Kinzua Viaduct closed to traffic in 1959, but its appeal remained. Kinzua Bridge State Park was created in 1963. Restoration work was being performed on the bridge during the summer of 2003. Then on July 21st, a tornado swept through the valley. Its swath of destruction included 11 of the viaduct's towers. But the spirit of the viaduct could not be destroyed. Crews secured and restored the remaining towers. And a new skywalk was opened on September 15, 2011. Kinzua Bridge State Park is a monument to the dreams of its builders, to the spirit of an era. Visitors who venture out on the skywalk experience the thrill of an age when crossing the viaduct was walking on wind.
Thanks for watching this installment of Life in the Forest.